In today's video, we're going to be talking about my top 5 reasons why I think starting a YouTube channel should be at the top of your list of New Year's resolutions for 2023. Reason number 1, YouTube is a huge platform with a massive audience. With over 2 billion logged in users every month, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right behind Google. And guess what? Google owns YouTube as well. This means that there's a massive audience on the platform, and if you create content that resonates with people, you have the potential to reach a huge number of viewers. Reason number 2, you can make money on YouTube. While it's not easy making a living on YouTube, it is possible. Many creators make a significant amount of money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and product placements. In addition, YouTube has a partnership program that allows creators to monetize their videos and earn a share of the revenue from ads. Reason number 3, YouTube is a great way to share your passion and expertise. If you have a hobby or expertise in a particular area, YouTube is a great platform to share your knowledge and experience with others. By creating videos on topics you're passionate about, you can not only share your expertise with others, but you can also learn and grow as a creator. Number 4, YouTube can help you build your personal brand. In today's digital age, having a personal brand is more important than ever. YouTube can be a great platform to build and showcase your personal brand. By creating consistent and high quality content, you can establish yourself as an authority in the field and build a following of loyal viewers. Reason number 5, YouTube is a fun and rewarding hobby. Starting a YouTube channel can be a lot of fun. It also allows you to be creative and share your passions and interests with others. In addition, the sense of accomplishment that comes from creating and sharing content that resonates with people can be so rewarding. So those are our top 5 reasons as to why you should start a YouTube channel this year. Whether you're looking to share your passion and expertise, build your personal brand, or just have a good time, YouTube can be a great platform to do all of those things and more. The truth is, these reasons are the same reasons that existed last year, and they're going to be the same next year, just with even more heavier of an emphasis as the years go on. YouTube's not going anywhere. It's not just something that the young people coming up or flocking to. It literally is the now and future. It's a great thing. It's giving all of us access to something that was only available to the elite top few in the past. This is an amazing time to be alive, and you're doing your personal brand, and you're really doing the world a disservice by not being on this platform and sharing what you know with others, whether you want to have a good time, like I said before, or grow your brand and become a subject matter expert. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, that's a cut.